Hi everyone, welcome. It's Jarv here from Medieval Mirage. It's great to have your company. Thank you so much for coming to my show and share. Okay, I think a lot of us love the corrugated look of cardboard as a stencil. So it's grungy, it's natural, and it's a great place where you can even write for your junk journaling or even just decorating. So I just wanted to show you what I do, and I was just doing one again. I'll just go and get the other one. Sorry everyone. My apologies, sorry about that. Okay, I realize that I'm not very set up for this, but I just thought I'd film it, but then I realized, well, hang on a minute, we can just do a little bit more. So, okay, so this is one that I've got, and it's, it was just really flimsy, so I thought, hey, I'll make another one. And so I'll just put that aside, and I found some really good thick cardboard. So this was quite thin, this cardboard, that's why it looks tatty, but I love that because it created that effect. So this one basically created that effect, but this is this is much more sturdier, and it's just a matter of kind of going to the edges, kind of getting to the edges of it, and just seeing where it peels off best. And I found that it was peeling better on the inside. So I'm just going to do that with you, and I'm really apologizing if I do go in and out with my focus. This camera doesn't really allow for autofocus for some reason. Anyway, so can you see what I'm doing here? I just was able to start the peeling process, and yeah, so it's just a matter of patiently doing your best to peel it off as much as you can. Sometimes just leaving a few of the tags behind, or not necessarily having it perfect, can actually add to your effect. So all you would have to do is just ink it up and see what it looks like, and then decide from that if you just want to have a patch like that. So maybe we could do that together. I'll just try and at least get that off. So yeah, it's just a matter of peeling away. So what I just did then with just my nail, I just sort of did that, and yeah. Okay, so you get the idea, but there you go. There's your corrugated cardboardy stuff. Okay, so let's just play with it as it is, and as a test run. So I've got things under here. Like I said, I haven't really set myself up for a tutorial, but I thought, oh, because I needed it. I needed one of these. So you're just going to rub your ink pad over it. So let's see what happens with a little bit of the other stuff there. Okay, so looks good like that. Oops. Okay, so you're just going to grab it, and you're just going to treat it like you would any stamp, and you're just going to press it down. I hope I'm not damaging what's underneath here. Anyway, so you're pressing it down, and there you go. So that is that effect. And what I love about it, let's see if we can, yeah. What I love about it is it's left this tear kind of rip impression, or almost like a watermark impression. So for me, that's it. I'm not going to do any more to this, and that was what it looked like. So there's a little bit, I think, that kind of collected that there. So having little bits of the paper left behind can actually add to the interest. So you could then do a couple. So what I mean is, so say on your page you did, so say you've got a page like that, you could do one like that, and then you could do the next one like that, and then the next one like that, just to add variation. Or you could make a number of different ones. So here, let's do another one together. Let's hope this is going to peel for me. Let's focus for you. Once again, I do apologize if this is... Oh, look at this. Oh, it was made to be peeled. Woo. Oh, darn. Anyway, so this one could be our perfect one. You know, like we could make this one the perfect one and the other one not. But it is a, just sort of run your finger, or maybe, what do you call it? You know, one of your cutting knives along there, just to help you peel it a bit better. So here we go. It's once you get the peeling process started, you're on a roll. And if you love peeling, well, now you've got a profession. You can peel away. Like, I remember when I used to get sunburnt as a teenager. Horrible. You know, it wasn't intentional, but and you know how you get that peeling skin, which you shouldn't. But there you go. Well, don't get sunburnt, because you've got another way that you can do your peeling. Okay, so there we go. There's that one. And if you want to be a bit fussy, you can keep at it until you get the perfect looking one. And I'm trying to do this really fast so that I can show you what this looks like. But we're going to run out of my SD card timer, because it only allows, as you know, 10 minutes at a time. Ridiculous, really. Alright, so I'm not going to be able to do that in time, but it's pretty perfect now, almost. So let's ink this one up as well, and we'll do another. So you can see, by just having a few of these, you can alter the way it looks and add interest to it. So I'm sorry if I'm going to be out of focus. Let's have a look. I hope I'm in focus. If I'm not, I'll be with you in just a second. So we're going to lay this one down. And excuse everything. Okay, so there's that one. Okay. I haven't inked it up heavily, so that's the thing. So let's do it heavily. And I don't think I've got a very strong surface underneath, which is making it a little bit awkward to really press it down, because I've got other things underneath and it'll take me forever to organize myself. I don't want to kind of lose my place with my other projects happening. There we go. There it is. So if I open this up now, you can see the difference. And I'm going to run out of time just in a moment. So that's the one that has that kind of left behind, but this is the perfect one. But even still, it's not perfect. But you can get all sorts of results depending on the cardboard you have and how thick and soft it is. So that was that one, is this one. Okay. Anyway, everyone, thank you so much for coming to my show and share. And until next time, take care. Bye.